What's up? In the last videos about cell organelles, we looked at the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. They send several substances back and forth between each other. Here, we are going to talk about the nice guys who transport all the substances. Vesicles are basically small bubbles within a cell. They are cell organelles with a single or sometimes a double membrane. Vesicles can be spherical or oval and are pretty small. On average, they are about a micrometer in size, which is very small. So, vesicles are responsible for transporting substances within the cell. But they have other tasks as well. There are some biochemical reactions that cannot take place within the cell's cytoplasm. Therefore, space in vesicles is needed for these biochemical processes. Different kinds of vesicles exist. The main difference between varied vesicles lies in whether they are exocytotic or endocytotic. Exocytotic vesicles store substances that will be transported out of the cell. Therefore, these vesicles fuse with the cell membrane to set free substances. The endocytotic vesicles are pretty much exactly the opposite. They are responsible for grabbing useful substances from the cell membrane in order to bring them into the cell itself. Alright guys, now we're going to explain two types of vesicles in a bit more detail. 2X lysosomes are made in the Golgi apparatus. Those lysosomes made by the Golgi apparatus are primary lysosomes. They can merge with the other cell organelles to form secondary lysosomes. Lysosomes are acidic inside, which helps them in the digestion of the body's own and foreign substances. Cell material like parts of cell organelles or the cytosol can be disassembled into single parts by them. Afterwards, these cell materials are simply recycled and are involved in the regeneration of the cell. Lysosomes play an important role in the immune system when it comes to digesting foreign substances. Once they have digested the foreign substance, they send undigested parts of them as antigens on the cell's surface. Then, these antigens help the immune system to detect intruders. 2X peroxisomes are neither made by the ER nor by the Golgi apparatus. They are reproduced autonomously. One of their tasks is the detoxification of the cell. Their name comes from the oxidation process which takes place within them. Their detoxification capability makes them important for energy metabolism within the liver. Alright, now let's quickly summarize. Vesicles are tiny cell organelles which are mainly responsible for the transport of substances within the cell. Additionally, their spaces are used for reactions and chemical processes which cannot take place in the cell's cytoplasm. There are different kinds of vesicles based on their function, mainly categorized as exocytotic and endocytotic vesicles with one significant difference. Exocytotic vesicles remove substances from a cell, and endocytotic vesicles bring them inside a cell. Then there are lysosomes which are acidic inside and dissolve things, and peroxisomes in which oxidation reactions take place, which are important for detoxification of a cell. Take a look at the video about animal and plant cells for the other cell organelles, so you know about all the stuff inside a cell. Have fun and see you later!